Welcome to another video. Today we have a problem involving a SQL query, so let's dive right in. The issue at hand is with an update statement with a row underscore number. Function is not outputting the correct row number. This can be quite puzzling, but fear not, as we have a solution ready to tackle this problem. The solution to this problem involves using the merge statement in SQL to update the table and correctly output the desired values. By restructuring the query in a more intricate way, we can ensure that the correct row numbers are displayed in the output. The code provided handles this situation by utilizing the merge into statement with an output clause to return the updated values along with the correct row numbers. It may seem a bit complex, but it's the perfect fix for the issue at hand. In conclusion, by using the merge statement with a carefully crafted query, we can overcome the challenge of incorrect row numbers in the output of an update statement. This approach ensures that the desired values are updated correctly and displayed accurately. I hope this solution was helpful to you. Remember to subscribe for more content like this video and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!